Hello guys! In this video, you'll be learning how to make an Arkanoid or Breakout clone using Godot. So let's start with a character body. Hold on. Let's make a player scene. Change type to character body. And yes, I do have the collision set to player. Alright. Exclude its player mask. Make a collision shape. Yep. Or wait. Where? Oh, dang it. Hold on. Let me just change its transfer. There we go. Alright. Next, we're going to add a color rect. This is just the bare bone graphics. Here's an important tip. Always set the filter to pass when you're dealing with graphical color rects instead of just UI color rects. This time, we're going to change it to like red. There we go. Next, we're going to add a script to the player. We're going to add a script to the player. Move speed. Launch angle. The state it's in. States. Alright. I'm going to leave this blank for now. And we're going to equals 100 equals 30. There. Alright. Physics process. Here we go. Get input. UI left, UI right. We're going to set its velocity to the direction times move speed. It's like a shorthand instead of just using if statements. Oh. Move and slide. There we go. Now we're going to add a serve function. So that way we can launch the ball. We're going to call if event is action pressed, UI accept. We launch the ball or serve. And we're going to do an and. Wait. Hold on. Never mind. If self dot, if current state is equal to state play, return. Now return is just to cancel the function. Return just cancels the function since it's just a void function. And we're gonna do current state equals state play. And we're gonna launch the ball, although we don't have it yet. We're gonna do that right now. Let me just check everything. Yep. Alright, next we're gonna be making the ball. Ball. I'll be calling it ball. I know I have to zoom in. It's killing me. We're gonna call this a character body. And now we're gonna do like a polygon. If we need to. We're gonna add some shapes to this polygon. Yep. 3, 4. Yeah, there we go. And let's just make it that. Yeah, there we go. What I should do instead is actually just replace this and just call it a polygon. Polygon 2D. Polygon. Yep. Now let's just yep. That's what I have. There we go. Now we're gonna set this ball's collision to ball, and it's gonna hit bricks, the bounds, and the player. Here we go. Here we go. Let's add a new script. Hold on. Let me just add. I'll do that later. I'm gonna add a script. I call it ball script. Ball script. Ball. All right, here we go. Equals 150. That's a fair speed. Polygon 2D dot rotation equals global what? Equals 0. Globe. Maybe I just put this under a node 2D, and maybe that'll help solve the issue. Then I'm gonna add a function. Just copy and paste this. There we go. Readjust graphics. To a fixed value. All right. All right. Var. We're gonna make a movement variable. Equals vector2 dot right dot rotated self dot rotation times ball speed times delta. Now we're gonna call the move and collide with movement and check for collision. If collision self dot angle, self dot rotation equals vector2 dot from angle self dot rotation dot bounce. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use the backslash to separate lines of code. Collision dot get normal. If you're familiar with what a normal is, it's like a 90-degree angle. It's pretty much a physics term, so I'm not going to explain too much about it. Get normal dot angle. Keep in mind, rotation is in radians. So that way, most functions have to deal with radians when they're dealing with angles. If you want to convert to degrees, use the rad to deg function and do self dot rotation. Yeah. Want to convert? All right. Bounce. Here we go. Yep. So you've got this. And what am I missing here? Oh yeah. Readjust graphics. Yep. Player. Let's go to player and let's add the ball. And before we do that, we're gonna add our marker and set it right here. And let's go to our ball. Let's add in the ball. Wow, that's so tiny. Maybe I should like beef up the size a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Said better. Be bigger. There we go. I might have underestimated the size of the ball in the first place. Alright. There we go. Now, what we're going to do is do not let the ball physics process. So what we're going to do is get access to the ball and do not let it physics process. Use set physics process and set it to false. That's how you do it. Enable ball. Ball dot set physics process to true. Ball dot top level equals true. What that means is the ball will move independently. So that's why I add it to the scene. And ball dot global position equals ball marker 2D dot global position. I'll name it something else. Ball dot global position equals marker 2D dot global position. And that what we're gonna do is declare another variable and call it choice angles. We're gonna set it to an array, and it's gonna be negative angle, negative launch angle to launch angle. One thing I forgot: randomize. The randomize function just randomizes and prevents the same seed. If current state, okay, no. Here we are. Choice angles. This time, we're gonna set the balls rotations. Set its global rotation in degrees to -90, which means -90 is pointing upwards. I know 90 degrees is upwards in our world, but only in the computer world it is -90. Alright, so it is -90 plus, go to backslash, separate the lines of code, plus choice angles dot pick random. So that way it could be like, this is negative, so it's gonna go left. Wait, so it's gonna go left or right. Left or right. Left or right? Alright. There we go. Let me just double check the collisions. And let's add in the player. Whoa! What an enormous player. What an enormous paddle. Maybe I should like ignore that, guys. It's just there we go. Oh. There we go. Yep, that's what we got. So we're gonna set the marker down to here and the ball right down here. But still, it's a great paddle. Let's test it out. It might not look perfect. Whoa. I mean, graphics. Sorry. Here we go. Let's see if this works. It launched into the void. So what we're going to be doing is defining collision. Let's just define collision using a tile map this time. And we're going to go to a new tile set, and we're just going to set its physics layer to bounds. Yeah. And yeah, there we go. And let's go to its tile set. Let's just create a blank atlas. Create new resource. Let's just do atlas texture. I'm just going to create a blank atlas. It's just going to be no tiles. Blank. Alright. An atlas. Blank. There we go. Whoa. Yep. Dang it. Hold on. I think I got something wrong here. Yep. That's what I need. There we go. Paint. Alright. Paint. There we go. We painted its tile. There we go. We painted its tile collision. Now I can actually place it around the map. It has to be pixel perfect. It has to be a few pixels. How do you? There we go. I got it. There we go. Now, let's try it out and see if it works. Yep, I think it works. Though I might want to make one quick change to the paddle real quick. Let's just decrease the size of this paddle. You know what, I just want to go by the traditional color rect, because it's just going to take lots of work instead. Yep, there we go. Now, let's check it out. Let's see how this works. I think that looks just right. And there you have it. That sums up how to make an Arkanoid clone in Godot, part 1. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and that's it. Peace out.